Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow bathroom.
Let's start drawing.
Let's start to draw a faucet. Excellent! Now let's draw a simple toilet next to it. Ready! I draw a shower gel. Then I draw a cute face like this. I draw two cute eyes and a smiling mouth with its tongue out. I draw the toilet paper like this. Now let's draw a cute face for our toilet paper. I draw its two cute eyes, its eyelashes, and his open smiling mouth, and the cheeks. Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. And now I'm going to color with red, blue, gray, red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, pink, purple, pink, red, cream for the coloring of our cute toilet paper. I color the mouth with two different shades of red. Very good! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.